Here we would discuss how to measure the size and how to wear pelvic traction kit. Pelvic traction kit is available in different sizes, that is, small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. Measure the circumference of the waist, and then refer to chart printed on box for the product or go to the link below. Now let's see how to wear pelvic traction kit. First, familiarize yourself with various components of the kit. The bedside traction pulley bracket is hung on the leg side of the bed. The pelvic traction belt is wrapped around the pelvic portion with the traction straps hanging below on the bottom side. The rings on the traction straps are hooked to pelvic traction spreader bar. Pelvic traction spreader bar helps in balancing the tractional force equally on both sides of the body. The traction weight is carefully calculated by the doctor considering the age, weight, and the ailment of the patient. Usually 1/8 of the body weight is used. Traction cord is tied to the central loop of the pelvic traction spreader bar, and is then passed over the pulleys of the bedside traction pulley bucket. The other end of the traction cord is then tied to the traction weight bag weight set. Precautions: it has to be ensured that there are no frictional losses during the entire course of the traction line. The usual timer for the application of the traction is 10 to 15 minutes, but the competent medical professional or the doctor decides depending on the condition, age, and the weight of the patient. In case of undue pressure or pain at any point, readjust the weights or take appropriate action or stop the application of the traction. A counter traction is applied to avoid downward slippage of the patient. The competent medical professional or the doctor decides this counter traction lift. Usually, 1.5 inch raising the leg side of the bed for every kg of traction weight is done. The application of the pelvic traction is highly technical. It should be done by a doctor or highly trained medical professional. Now let's see how to remove pelvic traction kit. Gently remove the weight. Gently remove the string. Remove the product. Thank you. For more information, log on to www.tynorindia.com or follow us on Facebook at Tynor India.